Hello all, Marike here for Studio Light. Today I hope to inspire you with a card using the Woodland Sweet Stories release. For my project today I used stamp 419, stamp and cutting die 56, 67, 74 and 75. Cutting die 710, 684, 732 and rip 104 out of the Jenine's Mindful Art Collection. I started by making the base card. I cut a top fold white base card 4¼ inch by 11 and scored at 5½ inch. I also cut a white rectangle 4¼ inch by 5½. I masked off the bottom of the white rectangle and ink blended the colors scattered straw and rusty hinge. I splattered some water and dabbed it off using a paper towel. Like always, I did all the preparations and die cutting off camera. Out of craft and green cardstock, I cut the tree trunk, the leaves and the grass border. I ink blended the tree trunk using vintage photo. The leaves and grass border I inked up using peeled paint, distress oxide and distress ink. I glued the trunk and the leaves together and cut the tree in half. Out of a teal color cardstock, I die cut the happy outline die. I ink blended it using peacock feathers and glued the white happy on top of it. I adhered all the elements on the card using glue and cut up the top of the trees. My pro tip this tutorial is to add in some stripes and dots onto your flags to create your own banner. This way you can add in some extra colors to match with your card. I assembled the banner and adhered all the elements on the card using glue or foam tape. If you would like to see more of my card making videos for Studio Light, leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!